What's going on? All I can say is we had an amazing day yesterday. If you guys took advantage of getting on VIP, congratulations. We had some nice winners over there, and we're going to recap all of that. But we also hit the free play yesterday, along with, if you guys are new, go over to the Winible and get on the free plan. I sent out another free play over there, and we cashed that one as well. So these were the two plays that I sent out yesterday, completely free, that we cashed on. So we are going to go over some wins today. We're going to go over how you can get some free money, and then we're going to give you a free pick today in the NFL. And if you stay around until the very end of the video, I'll give out an additional video or an additional pick for you. So this was the free play yesterday. We had Michael Trigg. That was an absolute sweat. He hit that late in the fourth quarter. Sawyer Robinson, he hit that late in the fourth quarter as well. KC Concepcion, and then Mekhi Lemon over on receiving. So that was a nice win there, 5-9. And then this one I gave out on Winnable with this one as well. So that's why you want to get over there on the Winnable. It's completely free to do. We had Ohio State, Texas A&M, and Tulane all on the money line, turning 5 into 885 there. So two nice wins there for us to start off the day. But let's jump into what we're doing today. So we have some NFL games going on. We have the Rams at Jacksonville. It's not really at Jacksonville. They're in London, England for the game today. The Rams are putting the beat down on them so far, 21-0. And then I like Chicago here. New Orleans sucks. They're coming into Chicago. I like Chicago. Miami, Cleveland, not doing anything there. Cleveland has a pretty good defense. New England at Tennessee. I like New England here. Las Vegas at Kansas City. Take Kansas City all day. Las Vegas sucks. Kansas City, they're getting Rashee Rice back as well, so take them on the money line. Philadelphia at Minnesota. Carolina at New York. New York at Denver. Indianapolis at Chargers. That should be a great game. I want to watch that game. That's going to be a good one. Over under 48.5. Chargers are favored by basically a field goal. Washington at Dallas. Green Bay at Arizona. And lastly, Atlanta at San Francisco. I am excited for this game. This is probably the game of the week. That's probably why it's on prime time, but it should be a great game. So excited for that one. So hopping over here, if you guys are new and you need $50 of absolutely free money, don't need to do anything, get on Chalkboard. They're going to give you $20 of free money. No deposit necessary. Use code 907fantasy. All these links are going to be down in the description below, just so you know. So Chalkboard, they're going to give you $20 of free money. Sleeper, they're going to give you $20 of absolutely free money. They're also going to give you this Michael Penix free square. So add that to any of your entries for an easy payout win booster there. Use code 907fantasy when signing up. And then over on BETR, they're going to give you a free $10. So that's how you can get your $20 or $50. 20 from Chalkboard, 20 from Sleeper, 10 from BETR. There's $50 of absolutely free money. So then you can also get a $200 bonus on your first deposit. They're going to give you this Michael Penix free square as well. So make sure to get on there. Use the code 907fantasy on all three of those. Those links are down in the description below. Make sure to go and claim your free money over there. Now, from what we did yesterday, we had the Ducks money line. We cashed that. We had the Texas A&M Aggies money line. We cashed that. Looks like I added that one in there twice. So we cashed both of those. We had Ohio State minus 13.5. Georgia money line. We cashed that. Texas A&M, Tulane, cashed that. Ohio State, Virginia, Oregon, cashed that. And this was the big one. I sent this out on the season pass, just to the season pass holders. But this was a beautiful win. I put 10 units on this one, so 50, and I cashed that in for 128.50. So beautiful, beautiful win there. We had Burr, the Georgia Tech kicker, to record one field goal. McAllister over, I believe it was 40 receiving yards. Trigg over 36 receiving yards. And then Concepcion over 35 receiving yards. So nice, beautiful, beautiful win there for us, 50 into 128. And to celebrate the beautiful day that we had yesterday, I did something huge. So VIP Gold Level, full week pass. VIP Gold Level used to be $150 a month. Full week pass used to be $47 a week. So I discounted both of those, and I just lowered them completely. I want everyone to be on VIP, and I want it to be affordable to everyone. so you can get these winning plays. So I did that in just basically an appreciation for you guys. Thank you for watching. Thank you for tailing, following the plays. This is why I do it. I love doing this. But I discounted these to 99 and 25 going forward. And then if you use the code Texas A&M right now, that's going to get you 70% off of either of these plans. So make sure to go over there, do yourself a favor, take advantage of that, and get on one of those two plans with 70% off there. Coming down here, this is the free play for today. So we're going over and we're playing mainly in the San Francisco-Atlanta game. We're taking Christian McCaffrey over 75 rushing plus receiving yards. Mac Jones over 200 passing yards. He's been averaging over 300. If we take a look here, let's just go over to Price Picks. I wish Sleeper had a desktop app. So if we take a look here, NFL passing yards, Mac Jones. Over the last 5, he's averaging 295. So he's gone over 340 the last 2 games, 280, 270, 225. All we're asking for is 200 tonight. So he should be able to cash that extremely easily. And then we're coming over here. The other one was Christian McCaffrey over 75, Bijan Robinson over 100, and Jonathan Taylor over 75 rushing plus receiving yards. Taking a look at what they have been doing. Jonathan Taylor, we have him over 75. He's been averaging 130, went for 137, 86, 96, 118, and 215. Give me 75 there for Jonathan Taylor. And then we have Christian McCaffrey over 75 as well. He's averaging 127. He hasn't gone below that line. Bijan Robinson, we have him over 100. He's averaging 164. Hasn't gone over under 100. So give me those for absolutely free money. You can even add in this Michael Penix free square to your entry, and just to boost it even more. So make sure to add that in there. That will turn 5 into probably like 10, probably closer to 15, honestly. So make sure to go in, use the code 907fantasy when signing up, get on there, add those to your slip. They're also going to give you a $100 deposit match when you use the code 907fantasy. So another reason to get on Sleeper and use the code 907fantasy there. So like I said, make sure to get on any of the plans, the free plan or the full week VIP gold level with the code Texas A&M for 70% off. So I promised you guys if you stuck around to the very end of the video, I'd give you an additional free pick. And this is what we're going with. Drake London, he's discounted over on BETR today. So if you guys are new to BETR, like I said, go over there, get $10. They're going to give you a $200 deposit match or $200 bonus on your first deposit and a Michael Penix free pick. So you can go over there and get on that. But we're taking Drake London over 56.5 receiving yards, and we're matching that up with Drake May over 175 passing yards. So taking a look at what each of them have been doing, if we come up here to receiving and we come down here to Drake May, where is he at? Drake London, excuse me. Drake London, he's been going absolutely crazy the last 2 games. 158, 110, 55, 49, 55. So he's averaging 85, which is skewed a little bit over the last 2 games, but he's picking up pace with Michael Penix Jr. there. So 85 over the last 2 games. All we need him to do is to get 57 yards. So that should be a nice win for us there. And then Drake May, that's just an easy payout booster. Get us where we need to be for that pick. So Drake May, averaging 247 over the last 5. He hasn't gone below 200. So give me 175 there for an easy win for us, turning 10 into 17. So go ahead and get that locked in over there on BETR. Good luck with all of your plays today. Let's go have another amazing day. Yesterday was phenomenal. We had a nice big win there, 10-unit nuke play. Let's go have another great day. Get on the Winible, get on one of the plans, and do yourself a favor and start winning today. So good luck, and we'll catch you guys tomorrow for some Monday Night Football. Peace out, and have a good one.